What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sat coming to you with today's stock pick, indicator help, and general investment tips. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in 5. I do the research, so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest AI infrastructure plays on the market right now, CoreWeave, ticker symbol CRWV. This stock has been making headlines after becoming the first AI cloud provider to deploy Nvidia's brand new Vera Rubin NVL72 platform. The stock surged, volume exploded, and investors are once again asking the same question. Is CoreWeave the next major AI winner, or has the market gotten ahead of itself? Before we jump into the chart, let's understand what CoreWeave actually does. CoreWeave isn't building chatbots. It's not trying to replace OpenAI. Instead, it's providing the computing infrastructure that powers the AI revolution. Think of it as the landlord renting out the most valuable real estate in the AI world: high-performance GPU computing. The latest catalyst centers around Nvidia's Vera Rubin NVL72 platform. CoreWeave became the first cloud provider to deploy and validate this next-generation AI architecture. The system includes 72 Rubin GPUs and 36 Vera CPUs in a single rack. According to the company, this platform delivers dramatically improved AI performance while reducing power consumption and increasing efficiency. That's exactly the kind of news investors want to hear. Every major AI company is looking for more computing power. As AI models become larger and more complex, demand for infrastructure continues to grow. CoreWeave sits directly in the middle of that trend. But that's not the only reason investors are paying attention. The company recently launched a new AI platform designed to combine model training and inference into a continuous feedback loop. Management believes this could reduce training costs significantly while helping customers deploy AI faster. Whether those projections prove accurate remains to be seen, but the market clearly liked the announcement. Now, let's move to the chart because that's where things get interesting. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, CoreWeave recently exploded toward the upper band after consolidating for several weeks. Whenever a stock rides the upper Bollinger Band, it tells us buyers are firmly in control. However, it can also signal that a stock is becoming extended in the short term. The RSI recently pushed above 70 before cooling slightly. That's a classic overbought signal. Now remember, overbought doesn't automatically mean sell. Strong stocks can stay overbought for extended periods. What it does mean is traders should expect increased volatility and possible pullbacks along the way. Looking at the MACD, momentum remains constructive. While we have seen some cooling from previous highs, the overall trend still favors the bulls. As long as buyers continue defending support levels, the broader uptrend remains intact. One thing that stood out to me was analyst sentiment. More than 60% of analysts currently rate CoreWeave a buy, while only a small percentage rated a sell. That's a strong signal that Wall Street remains optimistic about the company's future. We also saw short interest decline meaningfully. Earlier this year, bears were heavily betting against the stock. Recently, that short interest has fallen, suggesting some of those bearish positions may have been forced to cover as the stock continued climbing. Of course, there are risks. CoreWeave trades at a premium valuation compared to many traditional technology companies. Morningstar recently estimated fair value below current trading levels, meaning the market is already pricing in significant future growth. If execution slows or AI spending weakens, the stock could face pressure. Another risk involves competition. While CoreWeave has built an impressive position in AI infrastructure, giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google aren't standing still. The company must continue innovating to maintain its advantage. My takeaway is simple. CoreWeave represents one of the purest AI infrastructure plays available to public investors today. The Nvidia partnership, growing demand for AI computing, improving platform capabilities, and strong institutional interest all create a compelling long-term story. If AI spending continues accelerating over the next several years, CoreWeave could become one of the biggest beneficiaries. That's why this stock remains firmly on my watch list. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think CoreWeave is still early in its growth story, or has this AI rocket already left the launch pad? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Do your own research, manage your own risk, and never invest what you can't lose. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with a stock or indicator you'd like me to cover next. This is Sat, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.